Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is a Nissan 350Z custom, and this is by Hotwheels from the Silver series. More specifically, this is from the movie line Fast and the Furious Tokyo Drift. And so I bought this for $299, which is the MRP. Let's unbox this. I was really so honestly, I was very eager to unbox this entire set. Okay, so here is the card art. So the card art looks really beautiful. I mean, it captured that car really well. So let's see how the car actually does. Let me throw that away. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the casting looks really beautiful. Okay, so it has that livery here. It is a bit hard to see, but it is there. Okay, it has headlight detailing here, and you can see the Z logo here. Okay, and you can see this. I don't know if it is scorpion. I originally thought this is a spider. I'm not sure what insect or creature. It looks like an insect. I thought it was a spider, and I thought it was something else. Even still now I'm thinking that it is a spider. So do let me know if I'm wrong, and correct me what is the right insect or whatever that is. Okay, so if you look closely you can see this. So it is not that visible if you put it in a certain distance. Okay, this doesn't have tail light detailing to it, which is honestly a shame for this casting. Again, metal did really dirty on this. They could have. It is not even heavy. It is a very light casting. It has interior detailing to it. Again, they went with full black. Okay, maybe so I understand that's how the car looked in that movie or something like that. Not maybe not this level of black, but okay, it has wiper detailing. It does have interior detail to it. I hope you guys can see it a little bit. I'm not sure how to showcase you that. Okay, it has rear view mirrors here, and the body is fully metal including the spoiler here. Chassis is fully plastic. Chassis doesn't have any detailing at all. So the rims are just basic. I mean, it is really disappointing to see that. Okay, let's weigh this casting. So this is actually a beautiful car in that movie. I was hoping that they would do some justice, but they didn't. 32 grams, it's okay. Let's do a roll test now. Okay, at least it rolls good. Okay, I don't see any issue with it. Okay, it does roll really well. So let's rate this casting now. Okay, I'm just taking 0.5 for the headlight detailing here. It is not there. So it's a silver line series and you are paying $299. And if you are going to capture the essence of a car, please do it properly. If you are not going to do it, then don't do it at all. Don't put a sticker like it is from the Fast and the Furious movie and all the shit you guys are doing. So this is not faithful to the casting or to the movie or even the car culture, if you ask me. Okay, so with that said, it's 9.5 out of 10. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.